Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out a cell phone case from Urban Armor Gear, UAG. This one is the Metropolis LT, and I got this for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Alright, so here is the case right here. Some of the specs on this case. It is an eco-friendly build, vegan leather inlay with a TPU frame made from 50% recycled materials, impact absorbing inner bumper, and you have a hex pattern lining, has sculpted corners for heavy duty drop resistance. You also have a built-in magnet for MagSafe, wireless charging, and Samsung Pay compatibility. So here is the phone right here. So here's the design. Really like the design. Really like this pattern. UAG has a lot of designs. I like the simple design. You still get a lot of protection. I like this pattern here. This is faux leather. Here is my S25 Ultra right here. And I was actually going to go back and buy this one. I really think this is really cool. This design here. But they didn't have it, so I went with the next best thing and went with this one right here. Again, this is a vegan faux leather, and I really like the Metropolis series. I've been using this series of UAG for the last 3 or 4 phones. They have a lot more designs to choose from. I'll really come back to this one. Really like the design, really like the way it looks on the phone. And you get really good protection on here. So if you're looking for a cell phone case for your Samsung S26 Ultra, check this one out.